Hey guys, what's up? Today we are talking about Traxxas' newest release, the Jato 4x4. What does this have to do with a Jato? Absolutely nothing. It's not nitro, it's not two-wheel drive, and it's definitely not a stadium truck. So let's open up this thing and take a look at what's inside. So this is pretty typical. Comes with your basic Traxxas radio, and it is the TQ radio because this is the BL-2S version, which means it can only run on 2S, which, what's the fun in that? But looking at this thing, it is what a lot of people have been building for years. It is a backslash. Traxxas is like, hey, I'm going to rename it and do the same thing that other people have been doing. And people are like, that's cool because you're Traxxas. Honestly, it is pretty cool. It's very basic, simple design as far as the body goes. It's a generic looking 8-scale buggy body put onto their slash platform. So it is, for lack of better terms, it is a backslash. The clipless body system is super simple, super nice. The wheels and tires are technically, I mean, they're 17 millimeter hexes and they're technically 18th or 8 scale buggy size tires, but they're smaller than a normal 8 scale buggy. So that's a little weird. It comes with plastic GTR shocks, which are actually pretty nice. Normally the GTRs are pretty nice, so if they got them to work in plastic, that's even better. Keeps the cost down a little bit. It does come with the Traxxas standard extreme heavy duty parts, like their drive shafts. It does have a center brace. It's just plastic, but again, this is the BL-2S version. I'm sure if they come out with a VXL version and it can handle 3S, I'm sure that it'll have adjustable turnbuckles, metal chassis brace, and a couple other things. They might even put the metal GTRs on it. These are slightly different shock towers, it looks like. They have a little shock protector on them, so it's not exactly the same as what came on like the Slash 4x4 and Rustler 4x4. The rear shock tower is similar. It has holes or mounts for the wing to attach to, which is slightly different than the other Rustler and Slash 4x4. But honestly, I'm sure you can get these shock towers soon and switch your sweet Slash over to a backslash Jato 4x4 by Traxxas. Yeah, so that's that. What other goodies are in here? The usual manual. Keep these manuals. Manuals come with every new vehicle. So if you come to me in the shop and say, hey, I didn't get a manual, it's because you didn't look in the box. Unless you got used, then that's a whole different story. But it comes with your tools, sweet number stickers. Throw those on there, and it'll gain you 17,000 more horsepower. So it'll make you super fast. That is everything that's in here. That is the unboxing. Personal thoughts: the price at $349.95 for this one, the BL-2S, is a little high, I think, considering you can get an Arma Typhon 3S for $329 right now. That's if you can find them in stock, and being Horizon, who knows when they're gonna actually, how long they're gonna keep that. Horizon tends to discontinue things. So those are my thoughts. This is the unboxing of the sweet Jato backslash 4x4. Backslash is not in the name, it's just this is what people have been building for years, and Traxxas has finally caught up to the now time. So, as always, be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned, because maybe I'll run this turd and we'll see how it does. Yeah, we'll see. Catch you guys on the next one.